Ever since I was young, I would bake. It was actually my brother who wanted to be a baker and I wanted to be like him. Since then he stopped, but I still kept going and it's become a real passion of mine. I chose Kendall College because of the location. Chicago is a great city and because the school's reputation, and when I graduate I want Kendall's name attached to me. I really appreciate the teachers and being able to work with them and learn everything that they've learned throughout their career as chefs. My most memorable experience would have to be working with my classmates to make amazing things. For example, in Sugar's class, you make this huge sculpture and you work with a partner to put your own ideas into it, and it's really fun to make. I plan with my career to be working in a bakery somewhere, nothing crazy. I'm going to take my time and work my way into the field. I feel like the knowledge that I've gained from Kendall will really help me. I've been put in leadership positions in my classrooms, whether assigned to me or whether just taking hold. Kendall really gives you that ability to take your own responsibility and do what you want.